Good morning. I am Dr. Mahadevan Nayak NS, working as Assistant Professor at Government First Grade College, Bannoor. Welcoming all you for the e-content LMS program sponsored by Department of Collegiate Education, Karnataka. Program Bachelor of Commerce, BCom, subject Principles of Marketing, semester second semester, University of Mysore, session 37. Session 37 deals with research objectives. The learning objectives of the session is to learn the importance of the marketing research question in this session. After learning the session, learners will introduced or learners can understand how research question in marketing research is important. It is explained how the question is important in marketing research. Let us see the introduction for the session. Research problem. The marketing research problem is information oriented. It wants to determine what information is needed to make the best decision. It involves determining what information is needed and how that information can be obtained effectively and efficiently. The management decision problem focus on symptoms. The marketing research problem focus on underlying causes. Defining the research problem. Problem definition can be explained in a broader or in a broad statement. The general marketing research problem and identification of its specific components. According to Kerlinger, a problem is an interrogative sentence or statement that asks what relation exists between two or more variables. The answer to question will provide what is having sought in the research. In other words, a research problem is an area of concern where there is a gap in the knowledge base needed for professional practices. Importance of defining the problem. Problem definition involves the general marketing research problem and identifying its specific components. Marketing research problem must be clearly defined, then only the research can be designed and conducted properly. Inadequate problem definitions is leading to cause of failure of marketing research project. Selection of research problem. This is one of the important aspect. Any research problem exists in the following condition. There must be an individual or a group or an organization having different types of environment. There must be at least two courses of action is defined by one or more values of the controlled variable. At least two possible outcomes out of these two researcher wants an objective. What are all the works involved in problem definition? Discussions with the decision makers. We must discuss with the decision makers, the top management peoples. We must conduct some of the interviews with industry experts. Before identifying the problem definition, we should analyze the secondary data analysis, qualitative research, and little more. Summary. Declarative format much popular among researchers. A research problem must clearly, preciously articulated. It clearly states the variables, population, and research setting under study. Some of the multiple choice question. Retail industry is one of the largest industry in India with an employment of around 8% and contributing to over 10% of the country's GDP. Yes, it is true. The Indian retail industry has over 12 million outlets, which is the largest number of retail outlets in the world. The answer is true. Some of the references: Marketing Management by Philip Kotler, Marketing Management by Rajan Saxena, Marketing Research by G.C. Berry is referred for the preparation of PPT. Further, you can get the references in Marketing Research G.C. Berry. Thank you one and all.